Welcome to this quick 2-minute meditation to find your breath and to relax. So find a place where you can be still. You can do this seated or lying down, but find a place where you can relax. And once you do, softly, gently close your eyes. And as your eyes close, just bring your awareness and attention to your breathing. Just notice your breath and observe your breath. Noticing your inhale and your exhale. Just noticing your breath. And in just a moment, start to count your breathing. With your mouth closed, breathe in through your nose a 4 count, and breathe out your nose a 4 count. Let's start. Mouth closed, breathe in through your nose 1, 2, 3, 4, and out your nose 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe in 1, 2, 3, 4, and out 1, 2, 3, 4. Continuing to breathe 4 in and 4 out. Now take a nice deep inhale through your nose. And on the exhale, open your mouth, sigh it out, let all your stress go. Take this relaxation with you through the rest of your day. Have a great day.